Hi, today I'm showing you a pool water maintenance product that has absolutely blown my mind. I know on this channel I focus largely on media production products and techniques, but I like to make exceptions for any items that enhance my creative space or save time and energy. This one has really impressed me. Welcome to the Electric Eye Network. Let's get right into it. This is PoolRx Plus, my new favorite product for keeping pool water crystal clear. It reduces chemical demand, it claims to eliminate all types of algae, and it greatly simplifies pool care. This mineral algicide pool unit works by disseminating natural minerals, copper, silver, and zinc into the water, keeping algae spores from developing, spreading, and thriving in the water and on your pool's surfaces. This pod can be placed anywhere throughout your pool's system that will have water current flowing past it. I chose the skimmer because it's easy to access and there's maximum water flow going through it. Once it was in my skimmer for a day, I noticed there wasn't any green cloud when I brushed the PebbleTech surface like there had been before. The color of the pool was a beautiful aqua and stayed that way as I wondered how long it would remain effective. Along with this cellulose fiber organic filter media that I use instead of diatomaceous earth because it filters particles down to 2 microns, I started enjoying crystal clear water without algae and without any extra additives in addition to the basic chlorine and muriatic acid. I like to keep the water relatively chemical free, so when I would be losing the battle with algae in the past, rather than test the water thoroughly and buy $300 worth of chemicals that needed to be added in a special scheduled regimen, I would just do a complete water change, which is a big chore, costs some money, and isn't always practical. I now have tested this product thoroughly, and it has won my total respect. Once I put this pod into my skimmer, the algae never came back. I found myself experimenting with how little chlorine I needed to use and even neglected all maintenance from time to time. I ended up using about 1/3 as much chlorine as I used to and much less muriatic acid. There was no longer any need for phosphate removers, other algicides, or clarifiers. PoolRx Worldwide claims that once the minerals from this pool unit disseminate into your water and get into your filter medium, they remain there and remain effective until you take them out of your pool by changing your filter or replacing large amounts of water. I decided I would challenge PoolRx's claim regarding keeping the minerals in the system. So against my liking and against my better judgment, strictly to challenge their claim, I have gone 15 months without changing my filter, and I still don't have an algae problem. But I must change it now because the screens are clogged. I'm simply changing my filter and dropping a new PoolRx unit into my skimmer, and I'll enjoy trouble-free water maintenance for about a year, even though I'll change the filter once during that time. So as a pool owner and someone who does his own pool water maintenance, this pod has made my life a lot easier. I can now spend more time swimming and enjoying my time off than brushing pool walls and fighting the chemical balance of my water. Check out the link I've provided below if you'd like to ensure that you're getting the exact product I purchased. This link is to the best price I've found anywhere. I may make a small commission as a result of your purchase at no cost to you, but most of all, I simply want to spread the word about products I find to be great and help you enjoy them too.